front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Display section over here and tap on Font and Display Size. Now you need to operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!